Mastering Asyncio, Top 5 Real-World Use Cases Explained. Discover essential techniques in Asyncio to build responsive and scalable Python applications. Learn practical skills for asynchronous programming.
Welcome to our deep dive into Asyncio, a game changer for Python developers looking to create responsive and scalable applications. In the next 15 minutes, we'll explore how Asyncio revolutionizes the way you write Python code by allowing for concurrent execution of tasks without the complexities of traditional threading. Asyncio's event-driven architecture is perfect for scenarios where tasks are I/O-bound, making it a critical tool for modern developers. We'll cover 5 real-world use cases where Asyncio shines, from building web servers to handling real-time data streams. So, if you're ready to enhance your Python skills and build applications that can handle more with less, you're in the right place.
Let's start with building asynchronous web servers using Asyncio. Traditionally, handling multiple client requests on a web server required threading or multiprocessing, both of which can be resource-intensive. Asyncio offers a more efficient solution by allowing a single thread to handle multiple connections through non-blocking I/O. This means your server can manage thousands of connections simultaneously without getting bogged down. In this section, we'll set up a basic asynchronous web server, compare its performance to a synchronous server, and discuss scenarios where async servers excel. Whether you're building APIs, chat applications, or real-time dashboards, Asyncio can significantly improve your server's responsiveness and scalability. Now, let's focus on creating concurrent network clients. Whether you're fetching data from multiple APIs or connecting to various services, Asyncio can help your client applications handle numerous connections simultaneously. This is particularly useful for applications that require high data throughput and low latency. In this segment, we'll demonstrate how to implement Asyncio in client applications, manage multiple connections efficiently, and boost data transfer speeds. You'll see how Asyncio simplifies writing code that would otherwise require complex threading, providing a clean and efficient way to handle concurrent tasks. Next, we delve into asynchronous file I/O operations. File I/O can often become a bottleneck in applications that handle large volumes of data. Asyncio allows you to perform file operations without blocking the execution of other tasks, thereby improving overall application performance. In this section, we'll explore how to use Asyncio for non-blocking file reads and writes, look at coding examples, and discuss practical applications where async file I/O shines. By the end, you'll understand how to integrate Asyncio into your data-intensive applications to achieve better performance and responsiveness. Handling large-scale data processing is a common challenge in today's data-driven world. Asyncio can play a pivotal role in efficiently managing large data sets by allowing you to process data in chunks without blocking execution. This means you can optimize data pipelines, reduce processing times, and improve application scalability. In this section, we'll discuss the challenges of large-scale data processing, show you how Asyncio can address these challenges, and provide examples of async data processing tasks. Whether you're working with big data, machine learning, or real-time analytics, Asyncio can help you handle data more effectively. Integrating Asyncio with existing synchronous code can seem daunting, but it's often necessary for modernizing legacy applications. The key is to blend async and sync code smoothly to harness the benefits of both paradigms. In this part of the video, we'll explore the challenges of integrating async and sync code and provide techniques for achieving a seamless integration. You'll learn how to use async/await with existing code, see examples of hybrid applications, and understand the benefits of combining asynchronous and synchronous programming. By mastering these techniques, you can future-proof your applications and take advantage of Asyncio's performance enhancements. Real-time data streaming is crucial for applications like live dashboards, stock tickers, and chat applications. Asyncio is well suited for these tasks due to its non-blocking nature and ability to handle multiple streams concurrently. In this section, we'll cover the fundamentals of real-time data streaming, demonstrate how to implement Asyncio for live data, and discuss efficient stream handling techniques. We'll also explore use cases for real-time applications and show how Asyncio can improve responsiveness and scalability. By the end, you'll be equipped to build applications that deliver real-time data to users with minimal latency. The Asyncio ecosystem is rich with third-party libraries that can enhance your application's functionality. These libraries offer pre-built solutions for common asynchronous tasks, saving you time and effort. In this section, we'll introduce you to popular Asyncio-compatible libraries, show how they can enhance your projects, and provide examples of libraries for various async tasks like networking, file handling, and data processing. We'll also discuss how to integrate these libraries with your code seamlessly and the benefits of leveraging third-party solutions. By the end, you'll have a toolkit of libraries to accelerate your Asyncio development.
As we conclude our exploration of Asyncio, let's recap the key use cases we've covered: building asynchronous web servers, creating concurrent network clients, implementing asynchronous file I/O operations, handling large-scale data processing, and integrating Asyncio with existing code. These real-world applications demonstrate Asyncio's power in enhancing Python projects. I encourage you to practice these techniques and explore additional resources to deepen your understanding. If you found this video helpful, please share it with fellow developers and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Stay tuned for more in-depth Python content coming soon.